Hi, I'm Tressa Brannon from Total Style Solutions, and today we're at Kings Row Formal Wear in Salt Lake City, Utah. Let's talk about how to pack your shirts in a suitcase. So there's a couple of different options. If you get your suits or your shirts right from the dry cleaner, they're hanging on the hanger. Often they're in plastic. Save the plastic. You don't want to keep your plastic on them when they're hanging in the closet. The plastic actually has gases that will be let out and oxidize your clothing. If there's a stain, it'll turn it more yellow and oxidize it. Yucky, not good. So you don't want to do that, but when you're traveling, it is good because it helps to keep the wrinkles from totally staying in the garment and really getting set in. So you have it in your plastic, and you can take it and just gently fold, place it into your suitcase. If it's not overly full and getting really squished, that will be an okay option. The other option is to fold your shirts in this manner, and it helps to just protect the collar, keep the nice fronts from getting wrinkled. Put it into your suitcase, and there you go. You can wrap plastic or tissue around it. There's all kinds of fun stuff, but really, you're not probably going to do all that, so just gently place it in there and make sure it's not stuffed so full that everything gets squished and really creased. So this is just another option of how to pack your shirts in a suitcase.